Hey, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to this channel. If you are new here, welcome, 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 welcome. So, today our mission is to create this beauty right here. Yes, this beauty is from an old hair. Yes, I braided this coil inspired hair, and unraveling it, I was like, I don't want to throw this hair away. So, as you can see right here, this is it when I unraveled it. Yes, I unraveled it and it was there, and I was thinking, I'm like, I gotta be creative. I need to bring something out of this hair. I don't want to throw it away. Okay, so I ended up creating this beauty. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, you can use this for your ponytails, uh, revamp it into a short weave, which I'll do in the next video. Yes, so let's get right into the video, guys. So the very first thing you would have to do is to make sure you have thoroughly combed through the hair. Ensure that it is tangle free. Yes, comb through the hair tangle free. If you don't know how to achieve this, you can watch my previous videos. I'll try and then link that in the description box, so you see how I detangle it, how I comb through thoroughly to have it a little bit smoother before applying the hot iron on it. Ensure that your hot iron is not really hot, maybe medium to low heat. Yes, then you straighten this up, guys. I took a tiny bit of this hair and I'm like, let me just straighten it up and then see the results, and boom, I'm like, this is life changing. You don't have to throw any braiding extension away after watching this video. Share this video to your family members, your friends, whoever. Don't throw any braiding hair away, any braiding extension you've used away. Because if you can revamp this up to gain this, I mean, you are not losing on anything. You can use it for your ponytails, your weaves, whatever. I am definitely going to be creative with this thing. So guys, stay tuned and make sure you do the needful. Please share this video, like, subscribe, comment, because I have more coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now, everything is amazing. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no. Right now, everything is global. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now, everything is amazing. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no. Right now, everything is global. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. Up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now, everything is amazing. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no. Right now, everything is global. Steady driving them local. Them I taking my photo. I put the label in full effect. I keep the prayers in motion and no pulling back. I was boxed in, all the boxes that I couldn't check, and God came through for me. Would you look at that? I'm building a legacy out of hobby. I never chased a dream, I designed it. Big crib, you had an echo in the lobby. Bro, I was broke as hell where they found me. Hell is where they found me. I'm past it, I made
Facts, my haters all plastic, fake. Facts, my family's all happy, I'm grateful, thanks. And all the things I say are all naked. Facts, I hope I get to meet up with my mother when I'm gone, just to talk about my life and all the hurdles that I've won. I ain't saying it was flawless, cause at times I got it wrong. I had nobody to talk to, so I said it in the songs. All I do is go up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway.
I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything is amazing. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no, no. Right now everything is global. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. In the winter, in the summer, chart up a money make a win no bother. Every day we pray for long life. Give thanks we die for more life, yeah. In the winter, in the summer, show killer we up with them in the coma. Every day we pray for long life. Give thanks we die for more life, yeah, yeah. For mama pussy peace in no day. I been there use the time no day. That's why I'm doing my way. But that man you do it your way. For mama pussy peace in no day. I been there use the time no day. That's why I'm doing my way. So brother man you do it your way.
Up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway.
I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything is amazing. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no, no. Right now everything is global. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything is amazing. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no, no. Right now everything is global. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo.
Up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway.
I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything is amazing. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo. I remember that they telling me no, no. Right now everything is global. Steady dropping them logo. Them are taking my photo.
I put the label in full effect. I keep the prayers in motion and they're pulling back. I was boxed in, all the boxes that I couldn't check. And God came through for me, would you look at that? I'm building a legacy out of hobby. I never chased a dream, I designed it. Big crib, you had an echo in the lobby. Bro, I was broke as hell where they found me. Hell is where they found me, I'm past it, I made it. Facts, my haters all plastic, fake. Facts, my family's all happy, I'm grateful, thanks. And all the things I say are all naked. Facts, I hope I get to meet up with my mother when I'm gone, just to talk about my life and all the hurdles that I've won. I ain't saying it was flawless, cause at times I got it wrong. I had nobody to talk to, so I said it in the songs. All I do is go up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway.
I remember say it wasn't easy. Right now everything is amazing. Steady dropping them logo.
Whoa, guys, isn't this beautiful? This is really life-changing, and I'm really glad that I'm able to bring this video up. Don't throw any braiding extension you will use on your hair away. Never and ever do that, because you can definitely revamp this up into something different. So stay tuned, guys, and keep coming back. A blessed Christmas to you all. Peace. Bye.